Hello everyone, I've got $10,000 sitting on Hyperliquid right now, and I'm about to put every dollar of it into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Split right down the middle. No leverage, no gambling, just a straight 24-hour hold. And if this trade ends up profitable, I'm sending a share of the profits to some of you. Just drop your wallet address in the comment. Let's see what happens. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. Crypto is extremely volatile and I could be up or down big time by tomorrow. And you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. This video is just for entertainment and education. Always do your own research. Okay, as you can see, here is my account. I've got $10,937 here in USDC. That is the asset that you can deposit on Hyperliquid. That is a decentralized exchange where you can invest without actually signing up with your email by just connecting your wallet. So basically, I'm going to invest $10,000 of this money, $5,000 on Bitcoin and $5,000 on Ethereum. I'm going to hold this position for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, we will check the results. Now, this means that I'm going to invest this money on spot account, not with leverage, because I don't want to risk. I just want to hold the coins for 24 hours. That it means that are my coin, and I don't want to face any liquidation. Okay, first up, Bitcoin. As you can see right now, the price of the Bitcoin is $63,000 per coin. We can make a refresh here. We are on the spot account, so basically we are not with leverage, and we go right now here and we put the size of the trade. That will be $5,000. As you can see here, $5,000 buy on market price. So I'm not going to put a limit price, I'm going to just choose the market price. So here I place the order here. As you can see right now, we just purchased 0.079 Bitcoin. So right now here is the USDC value. We are minus 3.5. That is totally normal after you open a trade. And we will do the same thing with Ethereum right now. So we go here, we choose Ethereum, and the price of the Ethereum right now is $1,883.84. So we go again here, we put here 5,000 USDC, we place the order again in market buy. And the same thing happened with Ethereum. Right now here we have purchased 2.65 Ethereum and we are minus 2.97 dollar. Today is 16 August, Sunday. The market, it's not so volatile because usually on weekends the markets are a little bit stable, they don't move too much. I'm just doing this today because I think tomorrow on Monday the markets will be very volatile because the major markets will be open, and also will be cryptocurrency market will get affected as well. So right now we have here both of the position open. As you can see, is Bitcoin, also it's Ethereum. We are minus, it's totally normal. There are small money here, but I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna come again, and I'm gonna check after some hours, so we will see, and I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna keep this position. Just a second, please. Here is 8:55. So basically tomorrow in the same time, I'm gonna close both of this position. If we are profitable, if we are not profitable, I'm not gonna close it. And if we are profitable, if you comment in this video, let your wallet here, I'm going to share with you all the profits I'm going to send to you. So I don't want to keep any profit, I'm just doing this for entertainment. I'm back after 12 hours. I'm back on Hyperliquid. As you remember, yesterday we invested $5,000 on Bitcoin and $5,000 on Ethereum. And right now we are up $26 on Ethereum and $21 in Bitcoin. It has passed only 12 hours, so we are going to wait another 12 hours. And if we will be profitable, all the profit, as I have told you yesterday, I'm going to send to one of you or to more people. Just comment on the YouTube section your wallet, your Ethereum wallet or your Bitcoin wallet, and I'm gonna send the profits to you. So see you after another 12 hours. Hello everyone, I'm back and 24 hours is almost done. Yesterday, as you can see here, I have purchased 5,000 US dollar in Bitcoin and 5,000 US dollar in Ethereum. Yesterday was 16 August, the time here 8:55. So basically today, right now it's almost 24 hours that has passed. And I know that you are curious how much we have made or if we have made any money, but let's check. Now we go to our balance here. As you can see here, we are in profit. We are in Bitcoin, $98.4. That is 2% of our amount. You remember that we invested 5,000 and right now we are $5,098. And in Ethereum, we are $61 approximately. So basically, the 5,000 that we invested yesterday right now has become $5,060. So we refresh so we can check again. So the money are there. So what we did actually yesterday is that we invested 10,000 in total, 5,000 in Bitcoin and 5,000 in Ethereum. We split it in the middle. Now we have made more in Bitcoin because the Bitcoin price actually moved more today. As you can see, the price is going up. Also, the Ethereum has gone up and we have made some good money. So it's in total, the profit is $163, $162. The money that I'm going to give it away to you, to some of you. So please, in this video, make a comment. They'll give your wallet in the comment, write your wallet in your comment, the wallet of the Bitcoin or the wallet of the Ethereum. And I'm going to choose one of you and I'm going to send the Bitcoin $100 and $62 on Ethereum. So I'm going to choose randomly. So let's see who has luck. Also, please comment what do you want to be the next video, because I'm planning to invest 20,000 this time, so for 24 hours. So please make a comment where do you want to invest this money.